Khaning Bose Gazanlima is the director of Karma Sili Lalanda Institute for Higher Buddhist Studies in Lumdik Dharma Chakra Center, the seat of His Holiness the Karmapa in Sikkim, India, and the chief disciplinary master of the annual International Gaji Monam in Buddha Gaya. Khaning Bose also received his teachings of Buddhist philosophies for more than 13 years. He had completed his 3 years retreat and practice of the 6 yogas of Naropa. With his wealth of knowledge, experience, and practice in Buddha Dharma, Khaning Bose has also been giving Dharma teaching to his students and Sangha from different countries and monasteries across the world. For those who can have the chance to get access of his website, you are truly very lucky.
The living being have so many ignorance, so many different levels, emotion, different levels, suffering. So for that, Buddha gave so many levels, teaching. Buddha's gave teaching is like medicine. Many students, different kind of place, cannot come to see me, but most people didn't have time to join the teaching and the retreat. So for that, we made the website because need to share teaching to all students who need. My hope gave teaching to students. They can understood all the happiness come from inside.
While Khaning Bose Gazanlima's Dharma songs are now available to everyone who can connect to his website, registration is required to access his complete teachings on the Mahamudra preliminaries, called the Treasury of Preliminaries. This would mean that one will need to fulfill the prerequisites of reading and the practicing of the Mahamudra preliminaries. On top of that, you will need to read the registration instructions and the frequently asked questions pages carefully before filling it. After filling the registration form, it will take the website administrative team about 5 working days to review your registration. Once your registration is successfully done, you can then log in and read these full foundation teachings. At this stage, you will be able to read and listen to the teachings of the retreat in Thailand that were given in last September and October respectively. They will be available in form of Chinese transcripts and audio recordings.